Welcome back to ClearTask. If you've ever tried to remove that stubborn horizontal line from your footer in Microsoft Word, you know exactly how frustrating it can be. You try to highlight it, hit backspace, or press delete, but absolutely nothing works. Well, today I'll show you the quickest method to get rid of it in under 30 seconds. Here is the secret. That line isn't actually a standard drawn line. It is a paragraph border. Because of this, deleting it requires a slightly different approach. Let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document. To access the footer, the fastest way is to simply double-click anywhere inside the footer area at the bottom of your page. Alternatively, you can go to the Insert tab at the top, click on Footer, and then select Edit Footer. Once your cursor is active inside the footer, navigate to the Home tab at the top of your screen. Now look for the Paragraph section. You will see an icon that looks like a small square window. This is the Borders tool. Click the small drop-down arrow directly next to that Borders icon. From the list of options, simply click on No Border. Just like that, the stubborn footer line instantly disappears. To exit the footer and get back to your work, just double-click anywhere in the main body of your document, and that's it. You now have a clean, professional document with no unwanted lines. If this quick tip helped you out today, please drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and turn on notifications so you never miss another ClearTask tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.